here at Luke Yuen and Coffee Shop, Makati Supermart. And naisipan lang namin kumain dito dahil gusto ko mamili rito eh. Ito sa mother ko, salt and pepper spare ribs. Sa sister ko naman, golden fried chicken. At ako naman, nakita ko kasi ito online sa Google Maps eh. It's no longer called Ultimate Omelette. Special torta na pala tawag dito. Kaya, kain muna. Ay, teka lang ha. Tsaka guys, ang laking omelette dito. Ang laki ng omelette. Ayun, nakakita ng ganito. Wala ko nakakita ng ganitong size ng omelette. Big omelette ko pa last week. Pero, ayun, mas malaki yun. Okay, pero, for a single person like me, we got our work cut out for us. Okay? Yeah. Mana tayo? Of course, may ano tayo? Hot tea. Ayoko magmalamig ngayon guys. Lamig na panahon. Ang laki ng rice. Gusto pa ng fries?
Ang dami namang kanin.
Ay, rice bowl yan eh. Right now, it brings back memories kasi madalas kasi mamili nung sa Makati Supermart ng parents ko. So, paminsan-minsan, sinasama nila ako. Sa plate.
Kinakain ba yan? Baka hindi mo kinakain.
Ito na guys. Okay. Tikman muna natin yung omelette nila. Yung pork. Ayos. Uy, may sarili ka. Ha? Pakain mo kitesa yan.
Meron siya eh.
Eh, meron ka rin eh.
Iusip ka naman eh.
Ito sa Luke Yuen. Ang sama. Pero, yung rice naman nila, kahit deep fried, okay lang eh. Saktong-sakto for an ulam like this. Thoroughly cooked. Kaya masarap.
Sarap mo na.
Sarap mo ka. Bigyan ka.
Ako kasama pati ito.
Sarap mo ka. Ito ah. Ito ka. Malaki naman yun eh.
Eh, naku, hindi pala kakasa sa
Mati ka. Serve ko siya. Pingin nito. Pingin nito.
Ano ba yan?
May ribs nga. Gusto kong tikman eh.
Ikaw, gusto mo sa'yo.
Yan, isa lang. Okay. Nakadali ako kay Erman ng spare ribs kaya tikman natin ngayon.
Talaga.
Okay.
Pagtapos na.
I'll show you the Luke Yuen bill.
Ano yan?
516 516.56 kasi may senior na, may PWD discount pa. Okay, spare ribs nila guys. Oh! Yan, sama na ako. Saka mami kaya ako nagtsaa para mayanda yung lalamunan ko mami sa Cold Stone. Malamig yung kakainin ko eh.
Huwag ka masama sa boses mo. Lagi ka nakakain.
Welcome to experience.
Ayoko ka, gusto mo ito. Sa'yo lang ako.
Ha?
Sa'yo lang ayoko.
Mamaya na eh. Ang dami ko pang una mo. Binibigyan na sa akin ni Ermac nung mga spirit na sabi ko, ang dami ko pang ulam. Hindi pa ako nakakalahani sa omelette eh. Alatang professionally done yung special torta nila. Talagang seasoned chef ang gumawa nito.
Patikin naman.
Sige, kuha ka. Masarap yung ano nila. Yung omelet nila.
Sarap.
Ang laki.
Anong kumain ako na?
Tamang-tama, ang lamig ng panahon ngayon. Kailangan kumain ng mainit. I don't want to use my fingers right now kasi dahil kung hahawakan mamaya.
Tapon eh. Anong tissue? Ay, ito pala. Anong tissue?
Itong in-order ko from the coffee shop is all 300 pesos. Pero kumpara nyo sa Pancake House, abay dito na lang ako. Dito na lang ako. Okay? Hamak na mas mura rito. Mas masarap pa. They've been doing this since Makati Supermart opened. First opened nung nasa Makati pa sila.
Ito naman.
Thank you.
Thank you ha.
Grabe.
Halo-halo dito. Parang gusto ko. Kaya konti nito.
Hawakan yung ano mo. Hawakan yung isang spare ribs mo. O ito. Wala pinamubos yung omelette ko pero sumipit pa rin ng airmat ko. Kaya kinuha ko rin yung kanyang spare ribs. Pero yung kami rito.
Ayaw mo ba ito? Ang dami ah. ayaw niya eh. Hindi mo pinainin.
Tama naman nga.
Ako, wala na ako.
Miguel.
Ito kami.
Spare ribs nga kami. Kanino pa kinakain yan? Ah. Justified yung presyo, guys. I love the ingredients they put into this itong special torta nila yan. May green bell pepper, sausage, mushrooms. Very healthy. Pang all day breakfast nga yung quantity niya. Ano ako gumamit? Kaya pa ako lumalamon.
Yung mas nasa sa rito. Kapel.
Sa golden fried chicken talaga yun. Eh, hindi mo gumagamit ng sausawan yun. Tatamaan ko na yung green bell pepper kaya medyo may anghang na. Marami pa rin kumakain dito. Look Yuan tsaka coffee shop. Up to now. Guys, it's our first time eating here since 2017. yung yung customer traffic hindi nagbabago. Pag ganitong oras talaga, pasat tanghali, ang daming kumakain dito. Kaysa nga namang lumayo sila para lang kumain. Eh, dito na lang, diba? Eh, worth it. It's worth, kung tingin nyo on the pricey side, if you've eaten here before, justified naman eh. Masarap.
Hindi mo inuubos eh. Sayang.
Kumbaga sa naman namin. Ubusin yan. Huwag kang mainip. Ubusin niya talaga yan. May kasama pang fries. Yung meal ko.
Hindi mo iniinom ko eh. Kinukuha ko eh.
Kaya ko yung mami, yun yan. Nakikita mo ako. Hindi. Yung kakamba lang na tikman ko, galing pala rito. Nilagyan ko kasi ng chili to. Malala ko na. Si Kuya iinom yan. Hindi ininom yan. So, ganito lang muna guys. Mamaya, we'll formalize the review. Right?
3 hours later.
I'm here to review both coffee shop and Luke Yuen at the same time kasi kumbaga nasa isang pwesto lang kasi sila, technically. And I was also able to try yung mga in-order nila mami. I was able to taste it also. So, where do I start? Well, for starters, the food, of course. After so many years of not trying their food, the taste hasn't changed. Okay? Pero it was my very first time trying out their special torta. Okay? Laki, right? The size of it is it's almost half the plate. Malaki yung plate na binigay sa akin eh. And it's a real omelette. Okay? It's a real omelette. Nakailang kuha nga si Mami sa in-order ko. And at the same time, I also tried what she ordered, yung salt and pepper spare ribs sa Luke Yuen. And it tastes really good. Okay? Luke Yuen, on Luke Yuen's part, their taste, the taste of their food, yep, still as I remember it, kasi nung araw, madalas din kumain sa Luke Yuen kami as a family. When I was in my 20s, okay? Na-discover lang kasi ng father ko yan. During a branch nung meron silang branch sa Makati. Alright? Tapat na Landmark, actually, yung branch nila. Up to now, it's still there. Pero ang pinakamalapit itong napuntahan namin branch kasi we did some grocery shopping at Makati Supermarket itself. Okay? So, wala. I couldn't get myself to question the food in both establishments. Talagang totally satisfied ako. And although it's a bit on the pricey side, sulit eh. Okay? Yung sa akin, I paid 300 pesos for that. Although it's not my money. Pero 300 pesos is still 300 pesos. Pero kung ganong kalaking meal yung makukuha mo, yeah, by all means. Alright? That was the plate of special torta, and of course, nag-order rin ako ng hot tea because I needed to prepare my throat for Cold Stone kasi doon kami nag-dessert after. Magkakalapit na kasi sila eh. Makati Supermart, Cold Stone, then there's also Popeyes and Krispy Kreme, which we also bought food for today. Okay? So, well, ambience. Wala rin ako masabi. Ganun din eh. Okay? It's just as I remembered this place back in 2017. Yeah, that was the last time we were there. Okay? After that, kasi things, life went in a different direction. A lot has changed dito sa side namin. So we weren't able to work. It's the first time we could ever afford to go there. So natural, bilang content creator, I grabbed the opportunity to review those two restos together right now. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. So ambience, wala eh. Wala akong masabi. Class ang dating talaga ng common resto na yon. Imagine yourself having a hectic day of shopping at Makati Supermart. Talagang all out kayo sa mga essentials nyo. And if you're a keto connoisseur like me who cooks his own food for the family, talagang may mga kulang ding items, pero that's the purpose of their competitors. That's all I could say for now. Okay? So You only got Look You In, the coffee shop, or both as a last resort in if you wanna if you turned out to be that hungry after checking out. So yun talagang una mong talagang itatry na mga resto, yung dalawang yun. So ambience wise talagang you're starting to complain. Okay? Yung what's it called this? The overall dining experience was superb. Okay, we were totally engrossed with our eating. Sarap ng pagkain eh. And of course, yung mga staff doon on both sides of the ano ba to? May notif ako. On both sides of that common resto na well, they were all friendly, very accommodating, and especially yung treatment nila towards my mom and sis. Of course, ano natin lahat na 77 going on 78 na si mommy na merong she's already diagnosed with dementia. Tapos ang sister ko naman autistic. So talagang inasikaso kami. Inasikaso sila. So, very friendly. Lahat ng staff doon. So, in conclusion, yeah, I would totally recommend dining there. Wag na kayong kahit wala kayong bibilin sa Makati Supermart, okay lang. Alright? Meron naman silang breakfast, lunch, merienda, at dinner there eh. Okay? So, pwede rin kayong tumambay doon. Basta mag-order kayo doon ha. Nakakaya naman kung tatambay kayo eh, wala naman kayong orderin doon. Diba? Nakakaya yun. So, ano final judgment natin for the coffee shop / Look You In Alabang Town Center? Of course, courtesy of Makati Supermart. No-brainer. 2 thumbs up! And I'm hoping that, I'm praying that this happens again. I would really love to shop there again. I really love to shop there again. Of course, para matikman na naman namin yung mga pagkain nila. Pero we have to keep in mind that it's a bit on the pricey side. Kaya hindi ganun kadali uli. So yun lang.